welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Dawn here. So today I'm with you. I thought we could make some embellishments. I have lots and lots of bits and pieces already coloured up from Julia's new Quirky Bird collection. So we've got Roy. Where's Roy? Where are you, Roy? There's Royston. So we've got Royston. Oh, is this Royston? Flor, Edna, and Harold. Yeah, this one's Harold. So we've got Harold, we've got Royston, we've got Flor, and Edna is hiding in there somewhere. She is here. I know she is. I just saw her, but anyway, she is in there, and I will be using her today. Isn't that just typical? I also, yeah, goodness knows where she is. She's hiding, but she will come out and play in a moment. I'm sure. We also have the Chirpy bird. I can't remember the name of it actually, so I'm going to be playing with him as well. So that's from the Steampunk collection, but I just thought, you know, we have all of these already cut up. I've got the papers, so here are the papers as well. So I thought, you know what, why not put your, I'm going to be putting music on, which is why it's going to be on speed up today. So yeah, I just, you know, I really fancy crafting, but I thought it'd be nice to take you along with me. So it's just going to be a relaxed video today. Do ask me any questions, so if there's anything that you would like to know. But yeah, that is it really. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you at the end when we've got our finished made embellishments. So enjoy. Okay, so I'm all finished. So these are the embellishments that we have made. I just think they look absolutely gorgeous. So this one, I ended up making these really 2 large ones, and then I thought we'll just put that little one in the corner. And then this topper, I got the idea because our lovely Marta, who gifted me some stuff when we did our swap, made these beautiful toppers, and I just fell in love with them. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do something very, very similar with these. So thank you, Marta, for the inspiration there. So yeah, so this was the first one we started off with. So nice bright yellow colours. I think it's so nice, very summery, and the papers just all work so well together, and as well as the stamps as well. I think the stamps work brilliantly. And then I came on to this one. Now this one's one that I didn't intend to make, because I only intended to make 2 different ones. I have got some glue stick on there, so I'll have to get my heat gun out and get rid of that. I think I need to clean my my glue gun holder, because yeah, there's just strings all over it. It's a bit annoying, but anyway. So very, very similar, except this time I've used my edging scissors just to give it a nice border. And we have, I mean, you can't really see that one, but we do have 4 embellishments in there. But how nice is that to gift out to somebody? And then this is the one that I didn't intend on making, but I just really like, I had some bits of the paper left over, I had some of the stamps, and I just thought, you know what, let's just make some little ones. And all I've done is I've just added a little bit of lace with a fussy cut flower from the papers. I mean, how lovely is that? So that is my video for today. I really do hope that you've enjoyed it. I know it's been on speed up, but sometimes I just like to craft and put my music on and just forget everything that's going on in the world. So that's sort of today, but I wanted to sort of take you along the journey with me. So I do hope you've enjoyed it. I'm going to leave it there. If you would like to purchase any of these stamps or papers or anything, if you check out my description box below, you'll find the link to her chanda. Also, there's links to all the other ladies on the design team and to Julia's Facebook group, so do check them out. Lots of inspiration, trust me. So if you already have these in your stash, it's just some more ideas of what you can do with them. That's it. I'm going to leave it there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, please do stay safe and happy crafting. Bye.